Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a login page in Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Wix editor and click on menus and pages and click on sign up and login, and now select here member login form, and here you have to select which option shows first. I'm going to selecting here new member sign up and click on this drop down, and from here you can select default form, but right now I'm going to select custom form, and I'm clicking on add to site. And here you can see login page has been added, and now let's edit the form. So I'm going to clicking on email, and now I'm clicking on settings and field title. You can change the field title from here, or you can change the placeholder text. And you can required or read only. I'm going to select here required, and the same way you can edit the password option from here. Now I'm going to change the layout, so I'm clicking on layout and I'm selecting this one, or you can select this one. I'm going to selecting this one, and you can change the placeholder padding. You can change the field title padding, and you can change the space between field and field title, and you can change the design by clicking here. So here you can see the design has been changed, and also you can add a animation by clicking here. So now I'm clicking on preview, and here we can see I have successfully created a login page to my Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.